You're on a job site racing the clock, and the one tool you reach for either saves your day or slows you to a painful crawl. We've all felt that exact frustration at some point. That's precisely why these 13 Milwaukee tools are selling out everywhere, and today we're breaking down every single one of them for you in detail. Some of these solve everyday headaches you didn't even realize you had. Others get plenty of hype, but may not actually be the right fit for you. Stick around, because a few of the tools near the end are the real showstoppers you absolutely won't want to miss.
Milwaukee M12 Press Tool. Let's kick things off with a tool plumbers are quietly obsessed with. Traditional soldering means open flames, prep work, and waiting around, none of which you want in a tight, awkward spot. This M12 press tool tackles that with force logic auto cycle technology, joining pipe without any flame at all. It's designed to connect pipes up to 50% faster than soldering or brazing, and its slim inline body slips easily between narrow studs, working on both wet or dry systems. That's a genuine game changer for pipe fitting inside cramped walls. It's a specialty tool, so if you're not doing regular plumbing work, it may feel like overkill. But for pros in the trade, it truly pays for itself in saved hours and safer, cleaner installs. Milwaukee Cordless Lawn Edger. Anyone who cares about a crisp, clean lawn knows a sloppy edge ruins the entire look. This cordless lawn edger is built to fix exactly that problem. It runs on the M18 platform and delivers high torque power along sidewalks, driveways, and concrete borders without ever bogging down. What really stands out is how confidently it powers through thick roots and stubborn clay soil, where cheaper edgers stall out completely. Because it's cordless, you skip the gas, the fumes, and the frustrating pull start routine entirely. It's a fantastic pick for landscapers and homeowners who want that professional, manicured finish every time. If your yard is tiny with soft soil, a basic tool might do fine. But for serious regular edging, this one clearly earns its spot.
Milwaukee M18 Fuel Chainsaw. Here's where things get seriously impressive. If you've ever fought with a temperamental gas chainsaw on a cold morning, you'll instantly appreciate what this M18 Fuel Chainsaw offers. It's engineered to replace a traditional 40cc gas saw, reaching full cutting power in under 1 second the moment you pull the trigger. That means no fumes, no fuel mixing, no pull cords, and absolutely no engine maintenance to deal with. For forestry work and landscaping, that instant response saves real time across a long, demanding day. It's a powerful, clean, and genuinely convenient option all around. Just keep in mind that heavy, continuous cutting will drain batteries fast, so having spares charged is smart. For most everyday cutting jobs, though, it's a real standout. Milwaukee Folding Utility Knife. Sometimes it's the simplest tool that quietly earns the most respect. This folding utility knife from the Fastback line is a perfect example of that. The press and flip mechanism lets you deploy the blade one-handed in a split second, which is a small thing that genuinely saves you time constantly throughout the day. It's wrapped in a durable metal housing built to survive real job site abuse, and the blade lock keeps everything secure and steady while you cut. Quick blade swaps and an ergonomic grip make it comfortable for true all-day use. Honestly, there's very little to dislike here. It's affordable, tough, and useful for practically every trade out there. If you go through utility knives often, this one's built to outlast the cheap ones by a mile.
Milwaukee M12 Hammer Drill. Working in tight, awkward spaces is exactly where bulky drills tend to fail you. This M12 hammer drill is designed specifically for those frustrating moments. Its subcompact body packs a surprisingly strong power-to-weight ratio, handling both masonry and wood drilling without ever weighing you down. That makes it ideal for overhead installations, mounting electrical boxes, and detailed cabinet work, where a full-size drill just won't fit comfortably. Electricians, HVAC techs, and remodelers tend to reach for it again and again on the job. The trade-off is that it won't quite match a full M18 drill for the heaviest concrete work, so match the tool to the task. But for compact drilling in confined spaces, its balance of size and power is genuinely hard to beat. Milwaukee Cordless Rotary Tool. For detail work, precision is everything, and this cordless rotary tool delivers it beautifully in a portable package. Running on the M12 platform, it spins anywhere from 5,000 to 28,000 RPM, giving you fine, responsive control for cutting, grinding, and deburring. It accepts standard 1/8-inch accessories, so you're never locked into pricey proprietary bits, which is a real bonus. Metal fabricators and detailers love it for rust removal, intricate cutoffs, and cleaning up rough, jagged edges. Because it's fully cordless, you can take that precision absolutely anywhere on the job site. It's not meant for heavy-duty grinding, so don't expect it to replace a full angle grinder. But for close, careful detail work, it's genuinely handy and hard to put down.
Milwaukee M18 Fuel Hackzall. Ever tried muscling a full-size reciprocating saw with just one hand overhead? It's exhausting and awkward at the best of times. This M18 Fuel Hacksaw solves that problem beautifully. It's a one-handed recip saw with a shorter stroke and optimized balance, letting you make overhead and single-handed cuts where a full sawzall would be far too unwieldy. The dual-gear design noticeably reduces vibration, so your hand stays steadier and much less fatigued through repetitive cuts. Plumbers, electricians, and demo crews find it perfect for quick, controlled work in tight, cramped spots. For massive demolition, you'd still want the full-size version instead. But for fast, one-handed cutting where control matters most, this compact powerhouse fills a gap almost nothing else can. Milwaukee M18 Multi-Tool. If versatility is what you're truly after, this M18 Multi-Tool is genuinely tough to top. Its high-frequency oscillating action makes it a real problem solver for jobs other tools simply can't touch. Need to plunge cut a door jamb, trim protruding nails flush, remove old grout, or sand into a tight corner? This handles all of it with the right attachment installed. Carpenters and flooring pros keep it close because it turns tricky, fiddly, time-consuming tasks into quick and easy ones. The oscillating motion gives you precise control right up against surfaces without gouging or damage. It's one of those tools you don't reach for every hour, but when you need it, nothing else works quite as well. A smart, flexible addition to any serious kit.
Milwaukee M18 Fuel Blower. Cleanup is the chore nobody ever enjoys, but this M18 fuel blower makes it fast and almost satisfying. It pushes high CFM air volume to clear heavy debris and sawdust, moving stubborn job site mess from up to 15 feet away with ease. The instant throttle response means it's ready the very moment you squeeze the trigger, with no gas mixing or pull start hassle to slow you down. It's fantastic for job site maintenance and lawn cleanup, where you want real power without the fumes. Because it's completely emission-free, it works beautifully indoors and in quieter neighborhoods too. It won't quite match a huge backpack gas blower for massive properties, but for everyday cleanup, its convenience is honestly a real winner. Milwaukee M18 Grease Gun. Anyone maintaining heavy equipment knows greasing fittings by hand is slow, tiring, and messy. This M18 Grease Gun changes that completely. It delivers up to 10,000 psi of high-pressure output, pushing grease deep into stubborn bearings and joints that manual guns constantly struggle with. What makes it especially smart is the preset grease counter dial, which lets you deliver precise amounts so you're never over or under lubricating critical parts. For heavy machinery, farm equipment, and automotive work, that accuracy directly protects expensive components. The two-speed operation gives you great control over grease flow too. It's a specialty tool, so casual users may not need it often. But for anyone servicing equipment regularly, it's a serious time and mess saver.
Milwaukee M18 Combo Kit. If you're just building into the M18 system, this combo kit is easily the smart way to start. Instead of buying tools one at a time, it bundles high-demand essentials together, typically a hammer drill, impact driver, and more, along with batteries and a charger included. That means a much lower cost for tool and instant battery cross-compatibility across your whole growing lineup. For general contractors and anyone setting up a fresh kit from scratch, that value is genuinely hard to argue with. The batteries alone often make the whole bundle worthwhile. Just be sure to check exactly which tools are included, since kits do vary. But as a foundation for the M18 ecosystem, it's one of the most cost-effective ways to get started right. Milwaukee M12 Cutoff Tool. Cutting metal or tile always comes with one big annoyance: sparks and dust flying straight at you. This M12 cutoff tool has a genuinely clever answer to that. It features both forward and reverse rotation, so you can actually direct sparks and debris safely away from your body while you work. That's a thoughtful little safety touch you'll appreciate the very first time you use it. The compact 3-inch design makes it easy to control for auto work, tile, metalwork, and even drywall cutting. It's precise, portable, and comfortable to handle in tight, cramped spots. For heavy-duty cutting, a larger grinder still wins out. But for controlled, direction-specific cuts in smaller materials, this little tool punches well above its size.
Milwaukee M18 Inflator. We're finishing up with a tool that quietly earns its keep in any vehicle. This M18 Inflator is built for fleet maintenance, off-road adventures, and everyday tire top-offs alike. It uses true-fill technology with an auto pressure check, filling light truck tires up to 33 inches in under a minute and reaching up to 150 psi. The 4 psi memory presets and auto shutoff mean you simply set your pressure and let it do all the work, with no guessing or overinflating. For anyone managing vehicles or heading off the beaten path, that reliability is genuinely reassuring to have. It's not something you'll reach for daily, but when you truly need it, you'll be very glad it's in your kit.
Thanks so much for watching all the way through to the very end. We really appreciate you spending your time with us today. Now, we're genuinely curious, which one of these 13 Milwaukee tools impressed you the most? Maybe it was the powerful M18 fuel chainsaw, or perhaps that handy folding utility knife. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd add to your own kit next. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. And before you go, check out one of our other Milwaukee breakdowns right here. We'll see you in the next one.